Welcome back everyone. Now we're going to learn about the Boolean operators. So let's learn about the operators that are operating in the system of the Boolean worlds. So let's learn about Boolean operators. So what are the operators? Operators in the Boolean world is addition, multiplication, negation, and finally XOR. So what this all means? Well, we have already studied that. Don't get confused. First one is OR gate or operator or operator. Second one is AND operator. Third one is NOT operator. And finally the fourth one is XOR operator. Well, this is why I have decided to teach this thing again because we have not studied the XOR operator. So, what is OR operator? OR operator is logical addition of the two inputs. So, this is known as OR operator and gives us a definite output on that basis. Now, what is AND operator? AND operator is logical multiplication. We also write dot in its place, A dot B, and this will going to give us the output. The third one is NOT operator, which simply negates and only have one input, and we are taking one output for all our systems. And finally we have XOR gate, which is a just one second. Yeah, A B, A bar B plus B bar A, and in between we have to multiply them. So it is using a combination of all three operators together. That's why we are studying it in a separate way. So this is the XOR operator. So let's see how the XOR operator works. So we have A and B as input and third one as Y we have output. Now let's make a table. Okay, so we have 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Now for the output we need to do some calculations. So in the first one we have 0 bar multiply 1 plus 1 bar multiply 0. So 0 bar becomes 1 dot 1 plus 0 dot 0. 1 plus 0, which means our answer is 1. So this is how we solve that. And what formula we have used? Very simple. A dot B plus B dot A. Remember the bars, the alternative bars. Now for the second one, let's do the calculation for the second one. For the second one we have 0 bar Okay, now using this formula, let's find the first one. So A is 0 bar dot 1 plus 1 bar dot 0. Now on solving the first part, we have 1 dot 1, and on solving the second part, we have 0 dot 1. Now 1 dot 1 or 1 and 1 or 1 multiply 1 pretty much all the same. So this will going to give 1 and this is going to give 0, and 1 plus 0 is going to give 1. So the answer is 1 here. Now let's do it for the second one. The second one is 0 bar dot 1 plus 1 bar dot 0. Now 1 dot 1 plus 0 dot 0. It means 1 plus 0 giving us the 1. On again side, we are also going to get 1 again. And now the final one. The final one is going to be 1 bar dot 1 plus 1 bar dot 1. It means 0 dot 1 plus 0 dot 1. It means 0 plus 0, which going to give 0. Let's check the first one again. I hope there is a little bit of mistake in that. So let's confirm it. 0 bar dot 0 plus 0 bar dot 0. So we have 1 dot 0 plus 1 dot 0. We have 0 plus 0. So answer is 0. So this is not 1. This is actually 0. Now we are done with all the outputs of the XOR gate. So now we are ready to show what's going to be the next one. So let's see the next one. So on the new page, we are going to see that how the operator precedences actually work. Precedence is very important to know, as I have told you that when all the things comes together in simple number system or decimal number system, we use BODMAS rule, BODMAS rule. Now, if a question like this comes, like A dot B plus C, now we have a question that what to solve first, these two or these two. So to resolve this issue, we made the precedences, because the same problem comes to the computer also, and computer will get confused that what it has to do. And to resolve this issue, as digital electronics engineer, we need to find and figure out the solution. So we made the precedences, and now we are going to learn about the precedences. Well, I made the entire computer. Okay, so the first precedence is complement. Always solve the complement first. Like A dash or A bar is the complement. So solve the complement first. The second precedence is AND gate. So solve AND gate after that. Now the third one is OR. So this is gonna be our sequence. So let's see an example so that we can use these things. A dash dot B plus B dot C plus A C. So we need to find the complement first. So this is the complement. So we solve this one first, and then AND gate, and then other such things. Let's do it in numbers so that you can see everything in the numbers. Let's consider A is 1, B is initially 0, and C is initially 1. Now, this will going to be 1 bar dot 0 plus 0 dot 1 plus, here it's dot, so 1 dot 1. Now, on solving the complement first, we are going to get 0, as this is going to be 0 dot 0, which will going to be 0, and 0 dot 0 will going to give us the 0, and then after we have 1 dot 1, which is 1. Now 0 plus 0 is 0, and plus 1, so we are going to get 1. So in this sequence we have learned that solve the OR operator in last few lines when there is not left any AND operator, and solve AND operator when you have solved the NOT operator. So this will going to be our sequence of solving the operator, and that is why the precedences I use. So not and or. This is gonna be our sequence. So this is it for this one, and in the next one we are going to learn about the Carnot map of simplification. So be ready for that one. Till that, take care and God bless.